All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and set up your surcharges for your products. So we are currently in our products section. I'm going to navigate over to setup over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to come here to surcharges. And from here, I'm going to start adding my surcharges. So I'm just going to click add surcharge, and we're going to name this one handling fee. And then we're going to choose the value of this surcharge. So we can add a percentage or an amount. So let's say we're shipping a large item and we're just going to charge an extra $50 we're going to charge an extra $50 for the handling fee. And then we're going to make sure that it is enabled. We can go ahead and hit save. So now you can further customize this surcharge. Do you want the surcharge to be an amount or a percentage? And do you want this to apply to all orders or to orders with specific products, to orders with a specific variant, or to orders with specific categories? So let's go ahead and apply this to a specific product. And from here, we're going to select that product. We're going to add that product, and let's make it the dog bed. We're going to have handling fees for the dog bed, and we can go ahead and apply that. And then again, you have your advanced settings. Where do you want this to be available? And what is the order origin? So then we can go ahead and hit save. So now when someone places an order with the surcharge fee will be applied to that order. So you can go ahead and create as many of these surcharge rules as you need to apply to your business, but that is how you can go ahead and create those surcharges within the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can start setting up the tax rules for your business. I'll see you there.